Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So in the previous video we had discussed about the various check boxes and the radio buttons and also the file uploading and downloading in Selenium. Now we will be going to discuss about the select values from the drop down. So today, as we can see that we have a select class and its various methods through which we can select the values from the drop down in Selenium. So the Selenium provides us a class which is called select, which has various methods, and the first method is select by visible text. So we will be going to discuss these things after we will be discussing about the methods. So our first method is select by visible text or and deselect by visible text. So basically, what's the meaning of these methods? These methods also allow the parameter, and as the name suggests that the select or this deselect the value from the drop down that is same as parameter. It means that the value that we have given inside the parenthesis as a parameter, the select class helps us to select those options. Like this is our drop down for the month of birthday, and now we will be going to use the method select by visible text. So let's say we have to select the June month from the drop down, and here is our drop down. So how can we select this? First of all, we will use the system.set property, and then we need to find out the basic URL from on which we want to navigate. Now after the navigating by using the driver.get and the URL, then we use the select class in order to select the value from the drop down. So we use select, then let's say we name the variable as month drop and then equals to new select, then we will give the XPath for the drop down. So we have taken it by name, that is birthday month, and now we will use the object of the select class as like month drop dot select by visible text, and here the option name is June. So we will write June. So it will automatically select the June from the drop down. Or if the value is already selected and we want to deselect, then we will use the deselect by the visible text, and in the parenthesis we will write the option value that we want to, like June, that we want to deselect. Now our next method is select by value and parenthesis, same as deselect by value and then parenthesis. It also allowed the parameters. We can write parameters here. So as we know that, see the parenthesis here, I think there is some addition in this text. We need to write this, and here is 6 and June. Okay, now the text is better. So how do we use the select by value method? Basically, select by value method, select or deselect the option where the attribute of the option named value has the same value as parameter. See here, we have a value attribute and we need to specify its value inside the parameter of the select by value method. So in order to select the June, if I will write the select by value and then the value of this value attribute, that is 6, then it means that it will select the June month from the drop down. Now we have various other methods like select by index. This also needs the parameters, so and also the deselect by index parameters. So if we see in this, for what do we mean by the index first? Like indexes are starting from 0 to till end. So we have a first index, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and till the end. So here in the select or deselect method, it selects and deselects an option at an index specified in the parameter of the select by index method. So what if I write the 0 inside the select by index method, then it will select the January. Okay, no, it will not select the January, because when this option gets started, it takes the month as its text. So in order to select the January, we need to write the 1 in the index because it comes at the first place. Okay, it does not depend at value at all, it is just the indexing. So now our next method is multiple. So it returns the boolean value as true if the drop down allows the multiple values to be selected, and false if the drop down does not allow the multiple values to be selected. Like this kind of drop down, this never allows us to select the more than one value, but there are some drop downs that allows us to select the more than one value from a particular drop down. So if we want to know that whether it allows us to select the multiple values or not, we need to use this method. So like example, we will use this method as month drop dot is multiple. So what does this method mean? If this will return us the true, then it will allow the multiple values, and if it returns us the false, then it will not allow us for the multiple values. So in this scenario, it will return us the false. Now related to this method, we have the last method, that is deselect all. So deselect all. So this method is used when is multiple values return true, and hence as the name suggests, it deselect all the selected multiple values. So if any drop down allows us to select the multiple values and we have selected all the values, and in the one go we need to deselect all the values, then we will use this method deselect all. And is multiple and deselect method does not allow any parameters inside these methods. So guys, that's it for today, and as I always say, practice makes the man perfect. So do practice a lot with these syntax, otherwise you will not be able to get clearer about these topics. So goodbye and stay tuned for other videos.